Okay, my name is HENABA KOJO SAFO, and I'm the founder and the leader of the Buzstop Boys. And Buzstop Boys is all about trying to remind everybody that yes, you can run from wherever you want to run from, but your DNA is still an African. Your DNA is still a Ghanaian, and if there is anything we need to protect, it has to be the environment. The G-Wagons without the environment makes no sense. The five-star hotels without the environment makes no sense. So if the environment is drowning in the name of filth, then somebody must upfront problems and not only sit back and complain about who needs to do what. At the end of the day, leadership in this country is just about 1%. We forms the majority. So if we are able to change our mindset from thinking somebody will solve our problems to we will solve our own problems, then we don't even need somebody to bust up boys to come all the way from, let's say, La Paz to Sakumono and clean the beach. The people in Sakumono will rise up and say, hey, we came to meet the sea, and the sea has been there for only God knows how long. So there's no need disrespecting the sea and throwing trash inside of it. And you only take a change of mindset. Because without it, we move everybody in Ghana from here by virtue of magic into United States of America. And in the space of 1 month, the whole place is messy again because everything is the mind. So we are saying that if you're able to change our mindset so we can be in Ghana, and in a week or two, or even maximum in a year, we'll be able to transform this Ghana to something that even the Americans will be envious of. It's all about the mind. So, keenly, regardless of the activities we are doing, we also believe in advocacy and sensitization as one key factor. If education is able to produce politicians, doctors, and nurses, then of course education can also bring a lot of sustainable development plans to push our nation forward. Because I am particular about the environment, because without it, forget the money you are looking for. You know, if you did the air inside and enjoy your lunch. So yes, it's all about, that's all we want to also say. Because I believe that sometimes in the history of mankind, people become too personal. People begin to forget about the collective goal, that is the environment or even the country at large. Because in the end, you being a rich guy or coming from a rich home, your family alone cannot make a nation. We need all of us to be born a nation. But if you are rich in a nation that is regarded as the dirtiest country, I feel like that is very wrong. I prefer to live in a country that is clean and not being rich. That means at least some people accord me with some sort of respect. So everything we are doing with the Buzstop Boys is to be able to send a message to the Ghanaian and awaken the Ghanaian in everybody. Because yes, all our communities in Ghana were built on the spirit of volunteerism. So if I sit back behind radio, TV, and I hear a chief now calling a politician to build a toilet, then I'm quick to see that yes, there's something wrong. And that thing is wrong in the mind that we need to fix by letting the people know that yes, the Rwanda you want to talk about, the Singapore you want to talk about, and the Malaysia, they came to learn from us, Ghana. If we are the gateway of Africa, then we must keep the gates clean in order to be seen as a serious people.